Hello everyone, this is Leah. Today I have something totally different. I've been chosen as a Plaid ambassador and I got this box in the mail and I can't wait to open it and share with you what they have sent me to try. As an ambassador, I'll be trying new products and posting my videos. And they'll be sending some staples along too. So, let's get into this. What did I get? Mod Podge! Yes! A big hefty 8 ounces of Mod Podge. Yay! I was running low. And then I got this little one. Image Transfer Medium. Oh my goodness, did anybody know that they did that? Dries clear. Ooh, I've already got an idea for this one. That's awesome. Image transfer. I've got some brushes, a 3-pack of flat brush, and 10-pack of glass painting brush set. Yay! Very interesting. And I got a multi-pack. Look, who knew that Mod Podge had sparkle? Not me. And I get to try it. Yay! And there's gloss, matte, outdoor, and paper. Fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. And lots of paints. I've got some folk art in Daybreak. I've got folk art brushed metal. I don't have any metallics in my stash. That's great. And I got brushed metal in gold. So I've got silver and gold. I've got bright blue in apple barrel, a red in apple barrel, black and white in apple barrel, folk art multi-surface pink melon. That's pretty. Glass, metal, and wood. Cool beans. Another apple barrel in bright yellow, a folk art multi-surface in moon yellow, and those are satins. Also have this multi-surface satin in lime green. And I've got a Delta ceramcoat in rosy beige. I wonder if that's specifically for ceramics. I'll have to read up on that. I've got a ceramcoat in purple. Folk art matte acrylic in Calypso Sky. And patina in a matte acrylic. Another ceramcoat in turquoise. Folk art vivid orange. Folk art conch shell acrylic matte. That's interesting. Let's see what that looks like. Cute. A very, very pale pink. I've got a folk art light lavender, and that's in multi-surface. And a baby pink in matte. Ceramcoat in Tahiti blue. And Delta Ceramcoat leaf green. Very nice, very nice. Let's see what all we have. Got Mod Podges, brushes, All these are ceramcoat. They look like multi-surface. There. And all the mats. Matte. Brushed metals. Matte. And my apple barrels. Yay! Look at everything that they sent me. That is so awesome. Thank you, Plaid. I've got some great DIYs coming up with some of these. And I think I'm going to have to get a bigger tub for my paints now. Let's see. Yeah, I can't fit a single one more in there. Yay! Awesome, awesome, awesome! I'm so happy to be a Plaid ambassador. This is fantastic. So, I hope you liked watching my unboxing, and I will see you soon with some... Gosh, I've got to figure out what to use first. I don't know. Just be on the lookout. So, I hope everyone is staying in and staying safe, staying well, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.